Mr. Mack here. I'm going to go over the second part here, the master review. And this one's on the 3.1, 3.2 section on parallel lines and properties. So I want you guys to know the vocabulary here for this section. And I'll give you a word bank, and we're going to see if we can match these pairs here. So we have angle 1 and angle 2 here. Well, these are share a vertex, share a side, and they're supplementary, so this is a linear pair. One and three. Okay, so we have two different. We have angles on off of two different parallel lines. L is a transversal. S and T are the parallel lines. 1 and 3 are corresponding. So if I have two parallel lines and a transversal, these two are in the same relative position. That's corresponding. 1 and 4. All right, same parallel lines, same transversal. 1 and 4 are on the same side of the transversal, and they're exterior of the parallel lines. 1 and 5, again, this is a linear pair. 1 and 6, okay. So this is the only intersection we're looking at. Two lines intersect. The non-adjacent angles are called vertical angles. 1 and 7. So we have two parallel lines and a transversal. 1 and 7, well, could make an argument that they're supplementary, but there is no angle pair here. 1 and 8, however, alternate sides of the transversal, exterior of the parallel lines. 1 and 10, this is also none. And 1 and 11, also none. Oh, I got a lot of nuns here. Let's see, linear pair, same side exterior. We didn't do a same side interior. What if I add 9A here? And I do, how about angle 5 and angle 10? This one would be 5 and 10 would be alternate interior. And how about we do 9B, and how about 5 and 9? Angles 5 and 9 would be same side interior. All right. Find x, then find the measure of each angle. All right, so first of all, let's identify the angle pair here. We have two parallel lines. If it helps to extend it, do it. So these angles right here are on the same side of the transversal, and they are interior of the parallel lines. So these are supplementary. x is 40. I'm going to substitute back that 40 minus 20. This would be 20 degrees. And 4 times 40 is 160. And 160 plus 20 is 180. Clearly, this is not to scale. Okay, what do we have here? We have two parallel lines and the transversal. These two expressions are on alternate sides, and they're exterior of the parallel lines. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. So set the two equations equal and solve.
Is this C class now?
We started A period this morning, so it's B. X is 5. Substitute 5 back in. 5 times 5 is 25, minus 12 is 13. 2 times 5 plus 3 is 13. Again, not to scale, but there's our answer. Last one. I've got two parallel lines here. And this bottom part of our triangle acts as a transversal. So these two angles are in the same relative position. These are our corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. So we set them equal. So I'm going to put 3 times 15 is 45, minus 5 is 40. And then 15 plus 25 is 40. Again, these are not to scale. Find the measure of the angle below. Lettered angles here. All right, so I'll fill out the left side here in a minute. What do I know in the drawing? 48. This is 48 degrees, then this is 48. Those are vertical. These two are linear pair. So 180 minus 48 is 132. Angle 2 is alternate interior with 48. This is 132. 7 and 48 are corresponding. Let's see. This is 48. This is 132. This is 132. This is 48. 6 would have been then 132. Okay. We know this angle is congruent to this angle. So this angle here, let's see, what am I working with here? 50. Let's get this angle right here. 48. All right. So I know there's a couple ways we can solve this. I know that the 51 and the angle 4 have to be 132 together. So now angle 4 and 51 have to be equal to 132. We know this angle is 132. This big angle here is 132. We also could have said 51 plus angle 4 plus 48 is 180. We could get it that way too. And if I solve for angle 4 here, I get 71. No, I don't take away. That's 81. Let's back that up. Sorry, 81. Okay, so this is 81, which makes angle 1 81, which makes this angle 81. And 81 and 5 are same side interior, so that means 5 has to add up to 81 to get 180, and that would be 99. All right. So now we can fill out the left side. Last one. Find x. Standard form and factor. Okay, so these are same side exterior. Same side exterior angles are supplementary. Couple things I could do here. One, I'll just add like terms, I guess. We need to get this in standard form. Why did I write 9x? Uh, 48. Yeah, this is a 4 right here. Okay, can you see we can divide a 2 out? Okay, the factors of negative 24 that add to 2 is 6 and negative 4. So x is negative 6 or positive 4. Negative 6 in this case doesn't work because we end up getting a negative angle. So 4 times negative 6 is, oh, actually, no, never mind. That works. We could still do it. Never mind. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24 plus 40, that would be 16. And if I put 4 in, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 40, that would be 56. It looks like 4 makes more sense, but this would still work. That would be 56. And then 2 times 4 squared plus 92. This is 16 times 2 is 32. This angle would be 124. And 124 and 56 gives us 180. And I could have put negative 16 in too, and it would have worked. But we're looking for x. Okay. There you go. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, come see me and I'll help you out. Check you later.